Hi, this guy and I'm going to relate kind of a long story, so bear with me. It's about viewing PDF document properties. Now, I use a tool called Ahrefs Webmaster Tools, and I've got the link in the show notes. If you go to the Google document, you'll find a link in there for Ahrefs dashboard, and it reported that one of the PDF files on Route 6 Tourist Association had no meta tag information. There was no title, no description. And I thought, wow, that's a PDF file. And so I went and looked, and sure enough, there was no information. So I researched, and I found an application for editing PDF files so you can add the meta tag information with that tool. It's called PDF Handy, and it's a great tool. Added in the meta tag information, the title, description, so forth, and then re-uploaded it back to the server, went back to Ahrefs Webmaster Tools and recrawled the site, and it was fixed. So then I entered the full canonical URL of that file name into the browser address bar, and then up on I use the Vivaldi browser. In the top right-hand corner, there's a 3-dot menu, and I looked at document properties, and bazinga, this little pop-up comes up, and it's got all the information that I put in there. And so then it can be indexed, and it'll show up in the search. And won't that be nice? So if you've got PDF files, there's your homework. Oh, and hey, contact me. Use the secure contact form on GuyRCook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up, and then click on the bell and subscribe to future episodes. I've got them so you can get them. It's a wrap.